How'd it go?
Well, the problem was that they said that my doctor needs an insurance company to prove it, so they can.
Okay, that's what the nurse asked about in email. So I'll write her back. So they couldn't. Did they make the copies?
Whoa! You mean like an insurance card?
Yeah.
Like,
They didn't need them?
well, no, like, we also didn't have the bin information, so.
The what?
The bin information. Bin number.
This is. I don't know what bin means, man.
Like all this stuff down here.
Yeah, it does. Let me see. Yes, it does. Right under your name. Right? I mean, that's what this is. You're saying BIN?
Well, whatever it is.
I don't know that word, man.
Well, it's this.
Let me see the blue card. They said this needs to have a BIN?
Yes.
And that's different from identification number?
Let's see.
All right, I'll do some research.
It might be on the other card, but I don't know for sure.
It might be on this card?
No, on the other copy of the cards.
On your copy. Oh, this is mine. No, this is yours.
Yeah, one of them is for like hospitals and stuff, but the other one, I mean, like one copy of this.
Okay. Did you give me my cards?
Yeah.
Because see, on mine it doesn't have your name. These I think are identical. Mine has my name. Yours has your name. Let me just hang on to these and I'll go talk to him tomorrow.
Yeah, and actually, on the top of yours, I couldn't remember the year you were born. It's right 56.
No, it's 58.
Oh, 58.
That's okay, man. It's all right. I'm making a little recording here. It's a Marionette. It's something I use with my students.
No, I mean, what's actually